Have you ever wondered if learning to read drum music is difficult? Maybe you're just starting out and feeling overwhelmed by all the notes, symbols and terms. Well, here's the good news. Reading drum notation is much simpler than you might think, and in this video I'm going to break it all down so you can start reading music faster and with confidence. But remember this, the basics of anything in general is usually really very simple. Reading drum music only gets more complex as your drumming becomes more complex. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's begin. If you've been struggling with drum charts or feel like reading music is too complex, stick around because I'll show you how it's really just a system of patterns and timing, something drummers already have a natural sense for. Or at least most of them do. By the end of this video, you'll see why learning to read music can actually make your drumming journey easier, not harder, and give you access to more complex rhythms and exercises. Now, let's get into it. Drumming, at its core, is a mathematical process. It's about understanding note values and playing them exactly as they're written. Think of a drum chart as a roadmap. It tells you what to play, when to play it, and at what intensity. And the best part, there are no melodies or chords to worry about like other instruments. You're just focusing on rhythm and dynamics, which is what great drummers do best. There are a few basic musical symbols and terms you need to learn, but once you understand them, everything starts to fall into place. After some time studying, you'll soon be able to recognize different note values, their equivalent rests, interpret drum parts, and even write out your own drum patterns for practice. You should check out my upcoming drum chart series where I write the drum parts for some simple middle-of-the-road songs, then make the drum parts available for you to download and practice. This will put you in good stead when it comes to learning to read music. Learn by doing is one of my mottos. If you want to speed up the learning process, I highly recommend checking out the Drumming Foundation's free book on the most popular musical terms. It's an excellent resource that will help you get familiar with the key musical terms that are relevant to drummers, which at its core is all about the dynamics of a song, sort of like how you do the things that you do. You can download it for free, so I'll leave the link in the description below. You may also want to check out the How to Write a Basic Drum Chart video. The link's in the description. So is learning to read drum music hard? Not at all. It's simply a new way of understanding the beats and rhythms you may already play. With a little practice, you'll be reading and playing from charts like a pro in no time. Speaking of making drumming easier, what if your biggest challenge isn't reading music but controlling your drum volume? In the next video, we'll be diving into ways you can make your drums quieter, perfect for practicing at home without disturbing the neighbours. Make sure to check it out. Until next time.